So I've got a new camera for the channel. This is a quick video just showing you guys what I've purchased and what I'll be using going forward. Stay tuned. So this is a DJI Action 6 camera. I picked this up from the official store. Not too sure why it's got a price tag on that, but from the official DJI store I picked up the Action 6, the mini mic, because it was cheap, much cheaper than the Pro one. Came in a bundle which had this battery pack, so you charge the actual pack. It holds 3 batteries and keeps them fully charged, so that when you use them they should be good to go. So the mini mic comes with 2 different wind diffusers, and the back is actually magnetic. So the idea is you put this in your top or jacket on the back, hover this over the front, and it will attach the mic. No clips, so that's quite neat and tidy. And the pack I got also came with this tripod. So previously I've been using the GoPro Hero 10. I've had this for 2 or 3 years, and I did put a video on the channel when my last GoPro died. So basically from that video to this video, everything has been filmed on this GoPro 10. It's been a good GoPro, had no real issues other than the batteries. Now I do have the official charger, and I did buy, I think these were like the enhanced kind of extreme batteries. And from like day one, they've been poor. So I've got 3 in total. From when I first got them, I will charge them. I could put them in the camera, turn the camera on, the battery will be say 95, 100%. Turn the camera off, come back a week later, and they're at like 0 or 2, 5, 10%. And then sometimes I'm recording and they'll be at like 30, 40%. Press record, minute later, 0, camera off. So they've been very temperamental since I got them. I should have really got them exchanged, but they're offline. I think they were from Kerry's online, and I just couldn't bother with the hassle, so I just kind of live with it. The reason why I managed to live with that issue is because I do have the Volta, I think it's called, battery tripod, which I'll show you guys in a second once we use this camera. And that basically charges up and plugs into the camera, and I pretty much use that all the time. The GoPro does have a lot of accessories I've picked up over the time, and to be honest, I don't really use much of them. Like for example, this is a cheap version of that. Never once used it. Got the car mount, the window mount, never used it. The chest mount, never used it. It's just stuff that I don't really ever use. So I do have my original GoPro stand, which is actually pretty good. So I kept this because this does actually reach out quite a distance. You flip it around and then you have yourself a tripod. The only time I didn't use this was when I needed something that was adjustable so I could hook it onto something with flexible legs. The leg did break and I glued it years ago, but it's still okay. It's cracked at the top, as you can see. I mean, this thing has seen some abuse. Action 6 has this quick release base, but it does connect using this system, which I believe is probably the same. So it probably will actually work, but I've never really used these. I am considering getting the like a halo. It kind of goes around your neck and it kind of hangs off your chest, so it's more like this kind of view. So I'm considering getting something like that. I'll probably never use this tripod because, I mean, I could attach something to the bottom, I guess, but it's really tall. It's just something I don't really use. This is probably more for like a vlogging kind of purpose. It'll probably live on this tripod, or haven't tried it yet, but the Volta that's actually attached to this one, I might actually just use that one because this battery pack has been really handy to have. However, the battery on this should be a lot better. So this is the Action 6. Got this 2 or 3 weeks ago. I just haven't had the chance to set it up, and as you can see, the battery is still 82%. Now I charged this fully when I first got it. I left this on for a day or so on charge, and I put the battery in, it was 100%, that was 2 or 3 weeks ago, and then I came back this morning, and I've been playing about with this morning for about half an hour, and the battery's still 82%. The GoPro, if I left that for a week or 2, it'll be dead, so that's promising. So, obviously this isn't going to be an in-depth review, it's not the right channel for that, but I've kind of set it up on 4K, 16:9, I have the wireless mic configured with it, so that is ready to go. Online it states to use rock steady, and I like standard D-warp because I don't need that kind of GoPro look. When you put it on rock steady, it does crop the image in slightly, but I think that'll probably help for you guys watching the content, so it's not kind of all over the place. And a few little settings. I mean, you guys can't even see, it's all blurry. That's an issue with this GoPro. Now I know action cameras in general, really up close, the macro lens side of it is pretty poor. I'm hoping this Action 6 is better, but every time I get close it just becomes hazy. But I've set the ISO to min 100, max 1600. That's quite high. I normally like probably 8, but I'm going to try 1600 for now, but I probably will knock that down to 800, which makes it a bit darker, but it is pretty light in this garage, so I think 800 should be okay. In fact, actually, you know what, since this is a test video, we'll put that at 800. I have 10-bit color on, and I've been told to have the noise reduction to -2 and the texture to -2 also, reading a few forums. So that is the settings that I'm going to run with. If these are good, I have no idea. So this is the first time I'm going to use this camera. So I'm going to turn this one off and we're going to bounce over to the new DJI Action 6. So we're now using the DJI Action 6 camera. Hopefully this is a big improvement. I don't think it is going to be that much of an improvement, to be truthful. The Hero 10 is a fantastic camera, and under good lighting conditions you can get some pretty good results. And this is, after all, just an action cam. It's not some DSLR or mirrorless camera. This was £400, I think, something like that. But that's including the battery pack and the wireless mic. So the reason why I got the mic is with this one. This is a Creators Edition, and it has the media mod with the built-in microphone. The sound quality from this onboard mic is very good, way better than the one built into the GoPro. And it has the light on top. Now the light, it does work on the first setting, which is that one there, but even on a full charge, if you put it on the higher setting, for whatever reason it cuts off after like a minute or two. It just turns off. So I never used it on the higher setting. With the diffuser on the low setting, you can't really actually see the light through it. It's that weak, so that has to come off. But it does work. It's just, like I say, battery issues. That's the thing with this. Lots of battery issues and memory cards. So I've been through quite a few. These are all the old ones. These are 64 gigs. I've got 128 in it at the minute. I've got 128 in this one, and I've had probably 5 memory cards since I've had this, and they've all got corrupted and just became damaged. I don't know if that's because of the heat inside the camera or what it is, but I've had quite a few files that have gone missing or been repaired, but half repaired and half missing, because the memory cards got corrupt. And these are genuine, official, purchased correctly. These aren't eBay specials. These are legit ones. In fact, one of them actually came with the GoPro itself when I bought the pack. And even that, after 2 or 3 months, decided to fail on me. So, yeah, memory card issues and batteries. These batteries and the one on the camera, just always been a pain. I'm hoping I can use this tripod on this camera. I know the controls won't work, the record and the mode controls won't work, but the battery should still charge it. I've just noticed actually it's starting to come away there, which isn't good. Just want to make this quick video because I get asked it's probably one of the most common questions actually, is what camera do you use? And I can link this video to that. So in this one here, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.